our first year because this is our we have been coming here 6 years, and we are so excited because this is the last one that we are coming, and because we do a lot of friends, we practice a lot of football, we learn a lot about the English and football, and we are so excited about it.
Yes, this is my first time that I come to the campus, and I am a little excited.
And me, Sam, is my first year in the Sunderland campus.
Hi, I'm here to tell you all about our Becca Challenge that we'll be running throughout the week here in Pravia. So throughout the week, the boys and girls will be given yellow, red and green cards by the monitors, by the coaches, by the staff. So yellow and red cards will be for things that we don't want to be seeing, such as speaking English or poor behaviour choices and things like that. Green cards will be given for making really positive choices and for showing a good effort to try and speak English within the sessions. Getting green cards will add points to their group's score. Getting yellow and red cards will take them away. Come the end of the week, those scores will contribute to getting finalists and seeing who is going to be coming to Sunderland having won the Becca next season.